Samsung fans, get ready to witness the future of flagship smartphones. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here, bringing surprises that could redefine the smartphone industry. From cutting-edge performance to groundbreaking new features, this device is built to leave an impression. Here's an exclusive look into what makes the S25 Ultra a true game-changer. Revolutionary performance with Snapdragon 8 Elite. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts Qualcomm's most advanced Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, specifically overclocked for this model. This processor pushes boundaries with its performance core clocked at 4.47 GHz, surpassing the standard 4.32 GHz found in other models. Paired with 12 GB of RAM in its base configuration, the S25 Ultra achieved Geekbench scores of 349, single-core, and 9,793, multi-core. Its performance isn't just about raw numbers. Samsung has prioritized efficiency, delivering lightning-fast multitasking, seamless app launches, and immersive gaming experiences. This chipset also powers the base Galaxy S25 models, ensuring consistent performance across the lineup. Notably, Samsung has officially moved away from Exynos processors, marking a shift towards a more uniform global experience. Next-level display, brightness like never before. Samsung's display technology has always been a highlight, and the S25 Ultra takes it even further. With a stunning 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel, it achieves a jaw-dropping peak brightness of 3,000 nits. This means unparalleled visibility even in direct sunlight, setting a new standard for smartphone displays. The second-generation Corning Gorilla Armor Glass protects this vibrant screen. It offers superior impact and scratch resistance while incorporating anti-reflective properties to minimize glare. These innovations ensure the display is both visually stunning and incredibly durable. Game-changing safety features. Could your smartphone save your life? The S25 Ultra introduces advanced safety features, including car crash detection. Building upon technology introduced in Google's Pixel 8, Samsung leverages motion sensors and AI to detect accidents accurately. While this feature's availability is not confirmed for all markets, it represents a significant step toward integrating life-saving technology into everyday devices. Samsung could position the S25 Ultra as more than just a flagship. It could be a lifesaver. A photography powerhouse. The S25 Ultra's camera setup is built for professionals and enthusiasts alike. It combines Samsung ISOCELL and Sony IMX sensors to deliver stunning versatility. Here's the rumored breakdown. Primary camera, 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP2 sensor with 2x optical zoom. Ultra-wide, 50MP ISOCELL Jinan 3 sensor for breathtaking landscapes. Telephoto, 10MP Sony IMX754 with 3x optical zoom. Periscope lens, 50MP Sony IMX854 with 5x optical zoom. Selfie shooter, 12MP Samsung ISOCELL 3 LUU sensor. While some sensors remain unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the ultra-wide camera gets a significant boost, promising richer detail in wide-angle and macro shots. This camera system, paired with advanced AI processing, ensures professional-grade results in every shot. Design tweaks that matter. Samsung has addressed user feedback with a refined design for the S25 Ultra. The sharp corners of the S24 Ultra have been replaced with smoother, rounded edges, enhancing comfort without compromising aesthetics. The camera rings are now thicker, giving the rear module a bold, distinctive look. Additionally, the device supports MagSafe charging, a first for Samsung flagships. Accessories like grip and prism cases have already been teased, designed to complement this new functionality. Enhanced gaming experience. Gamers rejoice. The Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces game frame interpolation technology, powered by Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine 2.0. This innovation allows games running at 60 FPS to upscale to a buttery-smooth 120 FPS, elevating mobile gaming to console-level performance. Paired with Qualcomm's Game Super Resolution technology, the S25 Ultra delivers enhanced visuals without extra resource consumption. These features, integrated into Samsung's Game Assist functionality, make the S25 Ultra an ideal device for casual and competitive gamers alike. Flagship specs unveiled. The full spec sheet of the Galaxy S25 Ultra reveals a beast of a device. Display: 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. Processor: Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Memory: up to 16 GB of RAM. Storage: up to 1 TB. Battery: 5,000 mAh with 45W fast charging. Software: Android 15 with One UI 7. Samsung has also introduced rounded volume rockers and side buttons for a more intuitive feel. Combined with the new design elements, this flagship stands apart from its predecessors. Release date and pricing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is slated for an official unveiling on January 22, 2025, with sales starting February 7th. Pre-orders will include perks like trade-in discounts, enhanced credits, and exclusive accessories. However, rising production costs pose a challenge for Samsung, sparking debates about pricing strategies. Will the S25 Ultra maintain its competitive edge in affordability, or will these advancements come at a premium? Final thoughts. Is it worth the hype? The Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers across the board, from unmatched display brightness to top-tier performance and advanced safety features. With its innovative camera setup, refined design, and gamer-friendly enhancements, it's shaping up to be a flagship that truly redefines what a smartphone can do. For those looking to upgrade in 2025, the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out as a frontrunner. Stay tuned to Technology Review for an in-depth review and comparisons once it hits the shelves.